Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a language trainer. Today I would like to discuss my topic character. Friends, it means original being of a person, place, nature and of animals as well, which does not change in any circumstances, as our behavior, polite, rude, insulting, loving, etc., honesty with anyone in any profession, cheating with anyone and anywhere, trusting even strangers, not only the known people, loving all equally, loyalty towards partners and others, violence attitude, sacrifice above self, thinking that I can help others better, responsible towards others, caring for everyone, and even dominating means leading others or leading nature. So friends, as these behaviors or characters are natural for us, so others also can notice them with the time and behave accordingly with us. But sometimes some people want to change their character due to peer pressure, as they think, why I am not like others. But friends, it's not possible. As you know, you can't be like others, because everybody is born with some different characters, and even they can't be like yours either. So instead of changing your character, you even might lose or your original character as well. Then you will be suppressed or depressed in your life, as you don't know anything of the another character. In fact, we must know everybody's character has different recognition for different types of works or professions, and they get success in their field and even rewarded for the same thing which others do not even appreciate or recognize in us. And friends, it has no age or gender issue. As we know, like a policeman can't replace a doctor by his behavior, a leader can't replace a scientist according to his leading attitude, a father can't replace the mother to be so much kind and courteous to child. A businessman also can't replace like a farmer. Everybody has different attitude and different character which suits only to their profession. But it means their character suits to their profession only. Therefore, we must understand to remain in our natural being or our natural character whatsoever it is. Only then we will be comfortable and others as well to deal with us. Friends, fire and water both are needed to bring the balance of nature and people as well. So be whatever you are, proud of yourself, believe in unity, in diversity as well. Thanks friends, I hope you understand that our character means it is our natural self which can never change. Thanks friends. For your suggestions and feedback, my number is written on the board. Thank you.